Welcome to your 5-minute escape into the world of Tai Chi, a gentle workout that packs a punch for your health. Originating from ancient China, Tai Chi combines deep breathing with flowing movements for a full-body exercise. It's like a dance for your health, engaging your mind, body, and spirit. So, whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting on your fitness journey, Tai Chi has something to offer you. If you're looking to reduce stress and enhance flexibility, you're in the right place. Why Tai Chi? It's not just slow motion for the camera. This ancient practice, originated from China, has been around for centuries and is much more than just a peaceful workout. It's a holistic approach to wellness that encompasses mind, body, and spirit. Let's delve into the health benefits. First off, Tai Chi is a proven stress buster. The slow, fluid movements and deep breathing exercises help quiet the mind, promote relaxation, and reduce anxiety. Second, Tai Chi is heart-friendly. Studies have shown that it helps lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol, contributing to overall heart health. Third, it enhances balance and flexibility. The gentle, flowing movements of Tai Chi improve muscle strength, coordination, and flexibility, reducing the risk of falls, particularly in older adults. And the best part? Tai Chi is adaptable, making it perfect for all ages and fitness levels. So whether you're 18 or 80, Tai Chi can be a great addition to your fitness routine. Perfect for all ages and fitness levels. It's time to get moving. Let's dive into the heart of our session, a simple yet powerful 5-minute Tai Chi sequence. Just remember, Tai Chi isn't about speed or exertion. It's about flowing movement, mindfulness, and tranquility. So don't worry about keeping up or doing everything perfectly. The goal is to connect with your body and enjoy the journey. Starting from the top of your head, down to the soles of your feet, let's engage every part of our body. You can do this routine anywhere from your living room to your local park. Follow along as we start with some basic moves. Tai Chi is all about gentle, flowing movements, so let's begin by grounding ourselves. Plant your feet shoulder-width apart, relax your shoulders, and breathe. Feel the earth beneath your feet and the air around you. You're a part of this world, and Tai Chi helps us remember that. Now let's dive into our first move, waving hands like clouds. This move is all about fluidity. Imagine you're a tree swaying in the breeze. Your hands are the branches, moving gracefully from side to side. Your feet are rooted to the ground, providing stability. Feel the gentle power of the wind as it moves through you, loosening up your body and calming your mind. Next up, we have parting the wild horse's mane. This move is a dance with nature. Picture a wild horse running free, its mane flowing in the wind. You're parting that mane with your hands, moving them smoothly from side to side. This move is a balance of strength and grace, just like the wild horse. Feel the power in your arms and the flexibility in your waist as you flow from one side to the other. Now let's move on to golden rooster stands on one leg. This move might sound complex, but it's all about balance and focus. Imagine you're a rooster standing tall and proud on one leg. Your other leg is bent at the knee and your foot is raised. Now extend your arms out, one in front and one behind, like a bird spreading its wings. This move might challenge your balance, but remember to breathe slowly. Your breath is your anchor, keeping you steady and focused. Lastly, we have push the mountain. This move is about harnessing your internal energy. Picture a mountain in front of you. With your hands, you're going to push that mountain, moving it with your inner strength. Your feet are planted firmly on the ground, your knees are slightly bent, and your hands are pushing forward. Feel the power in your arms and your core as you move the mountain, and remember to breathe deeply. As we wrap up these exercises, remember that Tai Chi is not about perfecting the moves. It's about feeling the flow of energy within and around you. It's about connecting with yourself and the world. So don't worry if you didn't get all the moves right. Just keep practicing, and with time, you'll feel more comfortable and confident. Remember to breathe deeply and let the energy flow through you. As you inhale, imagine the energy rising from your feet, up your spine, and to the top of your head. As you exhale, let it flow back down, grounding you. This is the essence of Tai Chi, the balance and flow of energy. Now take a moment to appreciate the calm and tranquility you've cultivated through these exercises. Feel your heartbeat, your breath, and the energy pulsating within you. You've just completed a 5-minute Tai Chi workout, and you should be proud of yourself. Remember, Tai Chi is a journey, not a destination. So keep practicing, and you'll discover more about yourself and the world around you. You're on the path of wellness, and every step you take brings you closer to a healthier, happier you. So let's continue this journey together. Keep moving, keep breathing, and keep exploring the world of Tai Chi. And remember, the power is within you. You just need to tap into it. Thank you for joining me on this Tai Chi journey. I hope you found it calming and invigorating. Remember, every move you make, every breath you take is a step towards a healthier you. So keep practicing and let the energy flow through you. As we wind down our session, take a moment to breathe deeply. This is the time to let your body relax and your mind wander. Feel the rhythm of your breath, steady and calm, like the ebb and flow of a peaceful tide. With each exhale, let go of tension and stress. With each inhale, feel the energy of Tai Chi circulating throughout your body, rejuvenating your spirit. Embrace this tranquil moment and feel the energy flow through you. Thank you for joining our Tai Chi journey today. It's amazing how just 5 minutes can help reduce stress, boost balance, and improve heart health. If you've enjoyed this small escape into the world of Tai Chi, show your support by hitting that like button. And if you're eager to discover more 5-minute health habits, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell. You won't want to miss the chance to make a big impact on your life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more 5-minute health habits that can make a big impact on your life.